Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to a beautiful day in Houston, Texas. It is really nice outside actually and pretty windy. It just rained a ton that whole week pretty much leading up to today. But definitely great driving weather for the most part. I guess Houston, you can't ask for too much. I'm going to try to take out all three of my cars. I'm going to try to take out the GR Corolla, the GS 350, and the RCF Track Edition. Probably start out with the GR Corolla. Just kind of, it's a newer car, so I want to be more careful, have like a fresh, really alert mind, I suppose. Plus, it's parked behind my RCF Track Edition. So, anyways, I wanted to show you guys what I got. These are it's a battery maintaining system and a desulfator. For those of you that don't know what desulfators are, just look it up on the internet. Basically, it extends the life of a battery by removing crystallized sulfate on the lead plates. I don't want to go too much detail about it, but I will show you the setup. This is basically a splitter. It splits it up so I can use this one maintainer for 4 batteries. So I'm going to be using it. Now, my old ones, I'm still going to keep those, but I'm going to use this one intermittently, maybe a month at a time, and let it kind of desulfate all of my batteries and check the health, etc., etc., etc. But yes, definitely we'll be taking out the Corolla first. Have the RCF keys out here too, as well as the, here are the RCF keys, as well as my GS 350 key. I wonder if they make I guess a key glove for that. I should probably look into that, but we'll see. So we're heading into the garage, and I'm gonna go ahead and open up the door. Is it this one? Yep, I think so. Okay, cool. So I do have a, ooh, that was loud. So, whoa, that was pretty loud. We're gonna try that again, hold on. All right guys, I don't know, I was just checking my garage. It was making some really loud noises. I'm not sure if you could hear that, but it didn't make it anymore, so I'm thinking probably the rollers may have needed to move a little bit. I don't really, what's it called? I don't really open this garage door that much since these cars I don't really drive all the time. So I should probably open that garage door, I don't know, once every day, I suppose, just to keep these rollers from, I guess, staying stuck so they can keep rolling, because I think that's what that noise was, that loud noise. I remember the garage guy who came by, he had told me about that, to grease them. So I went in and greased them and everything. So anyways, here is the Corolla. The one thing I kind of, what kind of sucks is it doesn't have the hood shocks. So maybe I'll do that, but it is a battery in the trunk system. You can maintain it from here, from what I remember. I just use that bolt right there as the ground. A lot of people actually, they're saying that they lower the window, they sneak it through to get to the battery in the trunk. Seems kind of crazy when you have like a whole jumping system right here in the front. So I looked that up. Now I'm not 100% sure if I can use the desulfator on that, because the desulfator, it shoots like high frequency pulses to the battery in order to loosen the sulfate from the lead. So we'll have to look into that. But what we're going to do is we are going to put the sulfator, probably the desulfator system right here somewhere, so that way I can get to access to all 3 of my cars. Right now I really want to drive my cars, enjoy this weather, and I will see you guys in a bit. Something I will do is do a startup for the GR Corolla. That exhaust, man, it sounds really good. So we'll go ahead and do that. Let me go ahead, oh wait, but first I have to unhook the maintainer. Don't want to drive with that installed. Put it on the ground here. And then I'm going to lower the hood really quick. Let me just set that down right here real quick. And then we'll take this car out for a drive. But like I was saying, the exhaust for this car, it is valved exhaust. So the center exhaust is actually valved. It turns off around 2,500 RPM. I'm not sure why they do that, because it actually sounds really good when it's really loud. That's what I like. But I think for most, I guess, people that just want to enjoy the car, that don't want an exhaust, they definitely need that option to. I'm just putting on my shoes here. They definitely want that option to not have a loud exhaust. I wish the valve was controlled, so that would solve a lot of problems. I probably wouldn't get an aftermarket. I mean, that would take away the necessity, honestly, for aftermarket exhaust. So maybe Toyota will sell a valve deleter. or a valve switch device in the future. That would be awesome, but we'll have to see. Do I have the keys on me? Oh, I do, okay. Well, let me just grab the necessities for driving, and then we will be on our way. Let me say goodbye to my dogs. All right, guys, I'll be back. Smoochie, be a good girl, I'll come back for you. I'll take you guys to the park, okay? Take the GS out into the park. So be good, be good. All right, well, we're gonna go ahead and start the car up. I'll do a cold start for you guys, and then I will be on my way. I gotta put some miles in the car. This car I have to run kind of like cycles. I think I've mentioned that in a previous video, where I have to do, what is it called? I have to do kind of RPM cycles, so low RPM, high RPM. And I have to kind of vary the speed too, so I can take local roads and then I take the highway, etc., etc. And of course I gotta be really careful driving down this driveway, so I need to fully concentrate on that. But let me go ahead and start for you guys. So we gotta push the clutch down. Not sure if you can hear it. Let me just kind of lean out the window here. Start it. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it is a beautiful sound. Let me go ahead and go outside. That is the low RPM startup sound. Sounds great. Absolutely love it. Love the car too. It kind of rides, honestly, like a stock WRX right now. Oh, check this out. I got a little tag there. It doesn't say 1 of 1600, but if they did that, I guess it would take it away from the first year guys. So, that being that, I'm gonna take this out for a drive. It's a really awesome car, but like I said, yeah, it rides stock just like the WRX did when I first got it. So it's a little stiff, and you know, it's a perfect enthusiast car. And of course, I want to make it even more track focused. But you know, so anyways, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Let me go ahead and take this car out, and I will see you guys when I take the RCF. All right, guys, well, I don't know what happened to the footage. I'm actually editing right now in my computer, and I was looking for the continuation of the RCF driving and the GS350. Couldn't find it, not sure what happened to it. I know I did it because there is a big gap with video numbers, so maybe I accidentally deleted it. I really don't know. But so I thought I would go ahead and finish out the vlog for today, because I did do some car stuff today actually. I went to EVS to pick up a couple of items. I did get a body kit for the GR Corolla, and I will have an unboxing video for that. But they went and PP'd everything. It was real quick. Took them about a week to get everything done, as well as mounting and balancing my spare tire modifications that I'm gonna be doing for my cars. Oh, hey, say hi, Smoochie. She's just hanging out. There's Happy right there. He's bored, wants me to take him out too. But let's go ahead and continue this vlog. But here's the GR Corolla spare tire. It is not a OEM modification. There's no space to put this tire, so I'm probably going to just throw it into the cargo area. I will need to tie it down because you don't want a 40-pound tire flying around the car as you're driving it. But it is actually a really nice wheel. I really like the stock Core Edition wheel. Great color, and this quality is Anki. It's the same as my WRX. The quality of this paint, from my experience, is extremely good. It is very thick, and it is very strong, and it is very difficult to damage. So it is a great OEM wheel to have. I don't know if they'll go on the normal Corollas. I don't know if they fit, but definitely it is a great tire. I'm sorry, it's a great wheel to have. I did get some cheapo tires. These are called Land Spiders. I'm not sure where they're made. My guess, I think they're actually made in Thailand. But I got them from a company in Coppell, Texas. It is called Priority Tire. They were really cheap. It was like 72 bucks. I think this one was 72 bucks too, free shipping and everything. I mean, it was real good pricing. But here is the RCF Track Edition spare tire wheel. This is an OEM spare tire wheel that will fit into the wheel well. I actually did get all the other components for the spare tire. I mean, I got everything, and I will show you guys. I'll probably do it tomorrow. I'll shoot a video at least doing most of the modifications. And then here is the most important part, I guess, that really completes everything. But this is going to replace the rear trunk mat of the RCF Track Edition. If you can tell, there is a basically a nice round area where that's going to go over this OEM spare tire to make it a complete factory look. So it's going to be pretty cool. Of course, we all know this is anti-race. It's going to slow down the car. You know, I mean, basically I put the 40 pounds that was deleted out by the carbon ceramic brakes by adding this wheel back in. But for me, I like to have the option of emergency situations where I can throw on the spare and just get out of the environment that I'm going to be in if it ever happens. So I am an engineer. Also, I used to be a civil engineer at when I worked in Dallas. So it's kind of, I guess, my belts with suspenders type of attitude that I have. But let me show you well, I'm not sure. They're still in their boxes. But over here is this is my spare bedroom. But here is the Subaru exhaust. I did the unboxing for that. But here is the diffuser, the Grove Motorsports GR Racing diffuser. You can see right here, there's a little indentation right here. That's actually the center exit for the Subaru exhaust. There are some side skirts. I'll talk about that later. And then here is the front lip. It's in gloss black. It was actually a really cheap option to get it painted in the black 202, the gloss black, Toyota black. It is a pretty decent front lip. Very easy to install. I actually read the instructions for it, so I'll probably take care of that real soon. Maybe even next week, as soon as next week, but I do want to get it on as soon as possible so I can protect the front bumper of my GR Corolla. But yeah, I don't know what happened to the video that I shot for the RCF and my GS350. I'm pretty sure I did take them out. It was such a beautiful day just looking at the footage, so I'm pretty sure I did take the time to enjoy those cars. But yeah, anyways, I'm going to go ahead and finish editing on my computer. I wanted to finish the video out properly with some type of information or update on my car adventures. So one thing for sure though is I have been specking out just kind of future cars, and I'm definitely going to be getting, I believe, black cars from now on. Just black on black on black. I want a black interior, black paint, and black wheels, if possible. I really like that look, especially after seeing my GS350 kind of in that criminal spec. It just looks so aggressive, and it just has an aggressive and a very, I guess, clean look. I mean, it just really fits, I think, my persona a little bit better. I mean, shoot, I'm wearing pretty much all dark colors right now. So definitely like that color combo for cars. Most people don't pick black just because, well, I mean, it's a hard color to maintain. It doesn't really look great unless it's clean. So, but, I think for car collectors, cars they don't drive all the time, that they can choose to keep under shelter during bad weather, black it's a great color to have. So we'll see. We'll continue talking about that in other vlogs, and as dreams come true, I get those, and I pick up more cars. You guys will be there to share the joy with me. So once again, I appreciate you guys watching the video. Please like and subscribe. I always love to continue my adventures with my subscribers and viewers. And have a great weekend. I'll talk to you later, guys. All right, bye-bye.